Yeah, g'day guys. Welcome to my review of Infusion. I'm just here inside the members area, as you can see, and I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on what Infusion is and how it works and the exclusive bonuses that I actually have in store for you guys, which is pretty huge. It's my biggest bonus yet, just for a $12.95 product, so stay tuned. I'll be jumping over there really quickly. Now, Infusion is a high ticket product where it's a training product where you'll be able to infuse high ticket offers into existing campaigns. It's a strategy that I use consistently, and I've been able to generate an additional $5,000 to $10,000 per month using this, and you'll be able to add on to any campaigns. Now, as you're well aware, I generate nearly $50,000 per month in revenue, in commissions, and you'll be able to, and adding this feature on has literally taken it up to around about $60,000 per month. So I've been able to create a training specifically on this product, and you'll be able to generate, start that same process, and start generating and sending some commissions your way. So I'm going to quickly go over the bonuses really quickly, because I know a lot of people prefer to see what's in store with them. Now, this is it. You'll be watching this video on this page, or if not, you're on YouTube. There is a link. If you're on YouTube, there's a link below in the descriptor box that you can click on to come to this page. Now, if you are interested in purchasing and going the bonuses, just click on this link, and it will, on this button here, or down further down, and it will take you to the sales page where you can pick up Infusion. Now, if you pick up the front end copy of Infusion through my link, I want to give you Phoenix plus all upgrades. Now you're going to get the Phoenix membership, the Profit Automators, Done For You package, Profit Box, unlimited traffic, and license rights to 100% of the profits. And also, I'm even going to throw in the Breakout code plus all upgrades, and you'll be able to get the Breakout code, Cash on Demand, the Done For You package as well there, the Little Black Book, the Masterclass, and the license rights. So guys, you've literally getting everything that you'll be able to get started and start generating commissions quickly, building that list, and being able to introduce high ticket products through your purchase through Infusion. So basically, you're getting a whole business in a box for $12.95. Now I'm going to throw in a few other bonuses as well for you guys. I'm going to throw in the lost code, Fuego multiplier, to start any like an additional traffic method where you can multiply your profits. Urgency Suites Pro, so this can actually be introduced through, it's like HTML coding products where you can have like timers, create a sense of urgency, additional buttons and progress bars and whatnot. You're going to get the pro version of that. And I'm also going to throw in the Fuego Breakout, which is also another great product where you can literally use this to start upping your game in terms of if you're a newbie and start breaking through. So so guys, just click on the button here, go to the sales page, and just underneath the video with Mark, just click on get instant access, and it'll take you through the checkout page where you can grab this Infusion and all these bonuses for $12.95. Alright guys, now Infusion is a product where you'll be able to do it. Now I've given this entire training. I'm going to show you how to find and promote the high ticket. So basically finding the products, building the funnel, getting the contact, finding high ticket buyers, and setting up your campaigns. Now also we're giving exclusive access to a product where you can apply to be an affiliate and at no additional cost. Usually you have to pay to play on this one. It's usually about $500 to jump in on it. I'm giving you at no additional cost, and you'll be able, and I'll show you how to actually promote it effectively and start generating commissions. I also have introduced chatbots to it as well. Now chatbots is a great way to automate your qualification of certain prospects. So basically you can weed out those that can't really afford it, and you'll be able to concentrate on those that can, and which increases your conversions and more frequency of earning commissions. So that's a good one as well. I'm also throwing in the traffic sources as well that I use, on-demand pay-per-click traffic, and also a case study on how to leverage Facebook to your advantage on traction marketing. There's a guy in there that's really been crushing it, and I've agreed, and he's agreed to, provide a case study on how he's been able to leverage free attraction marketing on high ticket products using Facebook. And this guy's done nearly around about 25 grand alone this month. So he's really crushed it. Also, additional bonuses that you would get access to in there, including my mastermind group inside. It's my personal Facebook group, and you have access to me there. So guys, definitely jump on. Please click the button here if you're interested in getting the bonuses for Phoenix and the breakout code as well. You'll be able to get all the upgrades, everything, just by picking up the front end copy of Infusion. Alright guys, thank you very much. That's the end of my review, and I look forward to you guys crushing it. Cheers guys.